Hi, this is Dan from Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2019 Volkswagen Atlas. This has a 3.6 liter 6-cylinder engine, and you can see it's in this really nice white exterior color with a black leather interior. Rear seats, and then third row seats back behind. V6 4Motion Atlas badging. And trunk. Blind spot assist. Door controls, seat controls, steering wheel. See, this vehicle has 34,002 miles. Let's go ahead and start it up. Let's see our shifter here, climate control, radio, and our backup camera. If you'd like to see any more photos or get any more information at all, just visit us at feldmanimports.com.